Morning everyone. All the legends that are dedicated to fishing. All the legends that just love watching fishing. Get this plug in. I am at a reservoir near Castlemaine in Victoria of Australia. It's called Expeditions Pass. The rivers around my place have gone to shit, so I'm exploring new locations. There's a storm front coming in, so I'm not sure how long I'm gonna have the fish. It's meant to absolutely bucket down rain, but I don't care. Come on, hook reveal. Man, these things take ages to boot up. There's a bit of wind going on. I've also never fished here too, that's another thing. Oh, might want to lower that trolling motor down, eh? Oh, this looks cool up in here. It's also good to be somewhere where the water is actually good looking. The Loddon at the moment, the Campaspe rivers, which are the rivers close to my place, no good. Yeah, we've hit a snag there, that's for sure. I've got myself some, oh, I've actually got a fish. I'm on, a little fish. A little fish or a decent sized reddy? Oh, look at this. That's a nice start. It's a nice chunky looking red thing. I think it'll probably be about, I don't know, 30 something centimeters. We'll get this one off and I'll have a quick lay down on the measure board there just to let you know. It's not often you catch nice sized reddies like this around where I'm living. Most of it's all taken over by little tiny fellas. So that one there, yeah, she's about 35 centimeter reddy. What a nice looking reddy. All right, well, I'm gonna pop that one back into the water now. See you later, fella. Just gonna have a flick in here with me baby perch. There we go. What have we got over there? Nobody knows. It's about 1.2 meters deep right where my feet is, right there. So I don't know what it's like behind me or next to me. Certainly deep enough, but it's a nice back end pocket. I'm out of the wind a little bit and there's a nice lay down I want to cast at. It doesn't look like there'd be a lot of people getting to it. Oh, then again, scrap that because it looks like maybe they can walk out onto it. Whether or not they do a lot, I don't know. Oh, that's the worst. I'm gonna have to go over there now. There we go. Backing off the log. Gonna see if I can get in front of it a bit. Have a better cast. Now how good's this? You know, just have a little 24-pound thrust electric trolling motor on your kayak, tiller steered on the side, and all I'm doing is just spinning. As you can see, look at that. Do whatever the hell I want. Just sitting here nice and relaxed. Oh, are you kidding me? First cast, and it's snagged up on something straight away. Now I have to go in there. It's like ruining my spot. How's that even hooked up? It's like the bib has just jammed itself into the tree. Is it ready? Gee, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but that was a ready having a good old whack. One again. I'm guessing another ready. Pulled him off that log over there. There we go. Another ready on the Aussie Crafted. Get him unhooked. How bloody beautiful these red fins are on these guys. Incredible. Look at that. I'm just going to hold it up there. Has to do with the quality of the water. It is absolutely nice. See you later, fella. Got another one, eh? I believe this is probably another ready. The way it's fighting. Yep. Beauty. Just the slow trawl is getting them at the moment. Still just in love with how red the fins are on these ones in this area. Like, I've never fished here before, but really nice quality water. Alright, another look for the ready. See you later, fella.